everyone, welcome to this lesson on converting metric units. We're going to start by looking at the box in the center about things to remember about metric units. First of all, metric units are a system of measurement that uses base 10. Most of the world actually uses the metric system of measurement. You can convert between units by using dimensional analysis or using powers of 10. And I'm going to show you how to do each one of these, one for example 1 and one for example 2. Now, underneath this, you'll see that I have all the different conversions for you. For length, the metric system uses the meter. Now, meter would fall under the unit, and that is your root word. Then, to find any other level of meter, it would be like kilometer or kilometer, hectometer, decameter, then the meter, then decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So meter is for length, and then you use that as your root word, and these are all the prefixes for other levels of length. Then we have liter in the center, which is talking about your capacity. Again, that is your unit. And then you would have kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter, or a milliliter. And as you get through these, like a milliliter is much, much, much smaller than a kiloliter. So liter is your unit for capacity. And then for weight, in the metric system, we use gram. And gram, again, is that root word, is your unit. And then each one of these, kilo, hecto, deca, gram, then the gram, then decigram, centigram, and milligram. So you use this entire thing to help you do your conversions in your metric system. So, for example, for number 1, we're going to use dimensional analysis to convert 64 meters. In dimensional analysis, you're looking to use your dimensions or your units and help you set up multiplying of two fractions. So you write the first one, what's given as a fraction, 64 meters over 1. I want to be able to simplify out meters, so I put it in the denominator so that both of my meters can simplify out. And I want to change it to centimeters. Now, meters would fall here underneath unit, and to go 1 meter, then to go to decimeters, that would be 10 decimeters, and then to go further, that would be 100 centimeters. So 1 meter is worth 100 centimeters. Now you just multiply across your fractions. 64 times 100 is 6,400 or 6,400 over 1 times 1, which is 1. So this simplifies to 6,400, and the units that are not canceled out are centimeters. You could also fill this into the given problem up at the top. So that's how you use dimensional analysis. Now we're going to jump over to our right and look at example 2, and I'm going to show you how to do that using the base 10 or the powers of 10. So first you need to remember the order: kilo, hecto, then deca, then the unit, then deci, centi, and milli. You want to figure out where you're starting. So we're starting at milliliters, which is right here, and we're going to kiloliters, which is all the way back here. So we're moving backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to the left. So you find the decimal point, 80,000. The decimal point is here. You're going to move 6 spaces to the left from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that would mean 0.08 kiloliters. If we were moving to the right, your decimal point would go to the right. So 80,000 milliliters, which are super tiny, would equal 0.08 kiloliters. Just to kind of explain that a little bit better, I'm going to go back to number 1, and I'll explain that using powers of 10. So you start with your KHDUDCM. We're starting at meters, and meters is the unit one. So we're starting right here, and we want to go to centimeters. So we're going to the right 2 spots, which means if you start with the 64, you find that decimal point, you're going to go to the right 2 spots, so it turns into 6,400. So I hope that that helps with powers of 10. It's actually very easy to convert between the metric system because you're using powers of 10. Hopefully this can help you to complete the rest of the math worksheet, and I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Bye for now.